Introducing Noodle Kits. Noodle kits are individual percussion packs. The packs come in a plastic zip bag, and the bag has a sticker for players to write their name. Each noodle kit contains one pair of noodle blocks, one pair of rhythm sticks, and a chime plate with bolt striker. The noodle blocks are held like this, and played by rubbing the ends together like this. The rhythm sticks are held like this, and played like this. The chime plate with bolt striker is held like this, and can be played 3 different ways. For a resonant sound, tap the chime plate with the bolt while gently holding the center of the chime plate with 2 fingers. For a muted sound, tap the chime plate with the bolt while holding the chime plate with more fingers to dampen the sound. For a ratchet-like sound, hold the chime plate with one hand while raking the threads of the bolt across the end of the chime plate. Visit music8.com to order yours today.